I cannot imagine how they would have gone through it. Looks like their minds were made up earlier. But that's the system we have.
Do you have a sense of where it turned? Can you even guess? Because the deliberation was so quick.
I don't know. I don't know because the evidence presented by the government was rebutted objectively by me. And I thought Aimee's testimony was compelling. She answered all the questions that could have been answered. So I don't know. I'm still processing it.
Does it shock you that Aimee Bock is being detained right now?
Excuse me?
Does it shock you Aimee Bock is being detained?
That too is shocking because this woman doesn't have a passport. She's not a flight risk. Don't have any money, lives with her parents. But it is the system we have, and there's always that risk that a case like this, the government will want to take you into custody, to telegraph to others that if we come, you plead.
This stuff doesn't happen in a vacuum, you know that. All the noise around this trial, the last trial, which I know your client had nothing to do with, but allegations of attempted juror bribery, there was the witness tampering allegation that came up. Do you think any of that colored the decision of the court to take her into custody?
Well, I think that the court mentioned that too. That had nothing to do with Aimee. But it is what it is. You know, it's a sad day. We'll move forward and we'll start planning our appeal.
Thanks for talking. I do have one last question. I know it's early, and I know you were in there consoling Ms. Bock.
Yes.
Will you advise her, or do you expect her to express any remorse at sentencing?
I don't want her to lie. I don't want her to lie. If there's any remorse, it's because of her children. For her to admit anything, I will go to my grave knowing, because I've reviewed the evidence, this is an innocent woman. But it's the system we have. The jury spoke, we respect that, and we'll appeal.
Thank you, Ken.
That last moment